I just want to add kay Secretary, no? What happened kaya ito nahuli is because of yung mutual agreement namin, mutual understanding between the Philippines and the Philippine National Police and the Indonesian National Police. Kaya kami hinahabol po namin yung Secretary kasi wala naman siyang kaso. Wala siyang kasong kriminal and it's only contempt. Kaya yung hinahabol namin kasi sabi ng Indonesian National Police, wala silang jurisdiction kasi wala naman talagang criminal case. So what happened, hinahabol po namin and at least kahit na paano napag-usapan sila to take care of dun sa ano natin and kaya nga nagkakaproblema kami kasi since walang kaso at nahihirapan na rin yung Indonesian National Police kung paano na i-hold na matagal. At kung sabi mo, I just want to add, no, kaya nag-smile kanina, in the first place, wala siyang kaso noong that time. During that time, napaalis na kami sa airport at we received yung warrant of arrest coming from the RTC ng dun sa Thailand. But the rest is, it's more of yung babae confiding at us na kung ano talaga nangyari, kung sino yung mga nagkakaroon siya ng death threat, yung mga problema niya. And it so happened na nakuha na kami ng picture. Maybe I don't know kung sino kumuha ng picture, but it's more of na ano talaga. Natutuwa siya talagang iba yung first time niya makita yung secretary natin and siya feel comfortable. And I guess ito po yung nangyari sa atin. So, ito po, it's more of sabi na this cooperation. Ang nangyari po dito, I just want to add, no, ang nangyari kasi dito, it's coming from, kaya nahirapan yung Indonesian National Police because from Indonesia, she went to Malaysia and Singapore. So, paikot-ikot. And they took, sabi ko nga, it's really a God's choice na chance na lang talaga nakuha nila. Just they took a risk so they opened one of the houses na nandun nagtatago siya. Kaya yun po yung nangyari. Tama po yung sinasabi niya, it's really more for mutual agreement between us. Kaya lang nga, sinasabi nga ng Indonesian National Police, you have to go there right away because they have no case. We cannot hold them for quite a while, more than 24 hours. So po, ito po yung nangyari kay dun sa Alice Go. Idadagdag ko lang, no? Lalo na sa mga nakikinig nyo, napakahirap na maging pugante ka sa ibang bansa. Tandaan niya. At yun ang pinag-usapan namin sa Indonesia. Bakit? Yung Interpol, yung International Police ng Pilipinas, ng Indonesia, ng Singapore, ng Malaysia, masasanib pwersa yan. Kung anong nangyari rito ngayon sa Indonesia at Pilipinas, yan ang mangyayari sa lugar na ito. Talaga magtutulungan. Yun po ang napagkasunduan natin.
Secretary, good morning. Lian Ban from Rappler. Sir, do you confirm that the swap was at least on the table? Was it discussed? Will it be discussed pa further?
Well, actually, yung swap na sinasabi ninyo is it hindi naman masyadong, hindi na pag-usapan no? It was just bypassing lang na sinasabi lang nila na I think as far as Indonesia is concerned, it was mentioned that yung death penalty for that person, I think his name is Haas, hindi nila kinukonsider. Pero it was never the basis nitong pagbalik kay Alice. Hindi dahil may swap, at I want to make that very clear. It's not because of that, it's because of the deportation.
Sec, discretion nyo ni Chief PNP na kayo mismo yung pumunta doon at sinabi nyo nga, kayo na yung humanap ng paraan para may chartered plane at walang ginastos.
Yes, kasi ganito nangyari. Para lang alam nyo, no? Ito yung police-to-police operation. Dahil ito yung police-to-police operation, tinawagan ng police kami. No? At sinabi nga, you're given only up to 1 o'clock. Kanina umaga, 1 o'clock. Eh, anong oras namin nalaman? Tanghalian na. Pangalawa, kung maghahanap ka ng mga eroplano papuntang doon, halos wala na o halos puno na. At pangatlo, mahirap. Bakit? Kakuha ka ng special permit, may kasama kang nakaposas di ba? Ang daming, so kailangan talaga makahanap kami ng aeroplano. Tinawagan ko yung kaibigan ko, nagpahiram na lang. Kasi kailangan gawin namin lahat. Kailangan magbihis na kami, umalis na kagad kami para maihabol lang namin yung alauna. At ako'y nagpapasalamat sa Indonesian government dahil siguro nakita nila yung good faith namin, talaga na-delay kami at kasama rin namin yung Indonesian police attaché na dito, sila na mismo nag-move ng oras. At nung na-move ang oras, nagkaroon kami ng elbow room, malaking bagay sa amin yun.
So, Sec, may risk kanina na kung na-late kayo, i-release
Naku,
na ng
yun ang
Indonesia.
sinabi sa amin noong una. Kung hindi kami umabot ng alauna, release siya. So isipin nyo, nataranta kami talaga. Nagpunta kami roon, bahala na. Bahala na. At pinaalam ko nga sa ating mahal na presidente ito. No? Sabi niya, yes, Bernard, sige, puntahan nyo para mauwi nyo na si Alice ko. So, bahala na, kako, sige na. Laban na to.